Hi everybody, I am Parna again with you all with a new topic. Do you know the information about the eastern hognose snake with pictures? The eastern hognose snake, named that way due to its upturned snout, is commonly found in parts of North America. Here is an information about this species including its habitat, diet, size and behavior. Common nicknames of hognose snake. This snake has a seemingly huge list of common names summing up to more than 50. Some of the most popular ones are spreading adder, bastard rattlesnake, blowing snake, buckwheat nose snake, calico snake, chunkhead, and many more. The eastern hognose snake occurs in regions of southern New Hampshire, northern Florida, eastern central Minnesota, western eastern Texas, and west Kansas. Categorized under medium-sized snakes, this species is abundant and has a large population, hence falls under the least concern LC category of the IUCN list of threatening species. Take a look at some brief species of the snake given here and an in-depth description about the peculiarities of this snake. Snake bio. Common name eastern hognose snake. Binomial name Heterodon platyhinus. Order Squamata. Family Colubridae. Subfamily Exnodontinae. Genus Heterodon. Species H. platyhinus. Physical characteristics. As said previously, the snake is categorized into medium-sized snake and grows to maximum of 28 inches in length. The longest one recorded till death spanned to 45.5 inches. The snake has a upturned snout similar to that of a hog, which it usually to dig in sandy soils. Colors vary largely as per the different regions it's found in. Some common colors are black, brown, grey, orange, green and red. However, some possess more than one color combining two or more of the listed colors. There are also a lot of variation in the patterns. Some have blotches, some are checkered or striped and some are completely patternless. They have 25 rows or keeled dorsal scales and their underside are either dull grey, cream or yellowish. There is a lot of variation in the patterns like blotches, checkered or striped and some are patternless. They have 25 rows of keeled dorsal scales. Their underside and either dull grey, cream or yellowish. Behavior. These snakes are very shy and are mostly active during the day. They are spotted more during the spring as this is the time when they reproduce. They rarely bite and are mildly venomous. However, their venom does not pose any threat to humans. These snakes like to stay exposed them covered under shelter. When the snake is threatening, its display a very peculiar but interesting defense mechanism. It flattens its neck and raises its head above the ground. It will also hiss constantly and strike in extreme case but won't bite. In some cases, the snake's defense is even seen to roll on its back and play dead to such an extent that it would emit a foul smelling odor from its cochlear and dropped its tongue out. Habitat and diet. The eastern hognose snake is burrowing type of snake and prefers soft loamy or sandy soil well drained, which it can dig and make a place to live. These snakes mostly occur in field, forest, beaches and shrublands. Although burrowing, it prefers to bask or stay exposed. They use their burrows to lay eggs, especially in the spring or late summer. For food, these snakes hunt amphibians and their favorite prey is toads. They are resistant to poison produced by the toads. These snakes are rare-fanged and inject a middle venom meant for amphibians into its prey. This venom is responsible to neutralize the poison secreted by toads and hence doesn't affect the snake. Toads also have the tendency to inflate in self-defense, but the snake's sharp fangs deflate them, making it easier for the snake to swallow. These snakes also eat frogs, newts, salamanders and rodents. Reproduction. During spring or late summer, the female lays about 8 to 20 eggs in their burrows and isolate it. Neither do they look about their eggs nor do they take care of the hatchlings. The eggs hatch after about 60 days and the hatchlings are about 6 to 8 inches long. Did you know an eastern hognose snake lives approximately for 10 to 12 years and sheds its skin periodically to grow? Related post. Encyclopedia information about the red bracer snake. Red coachweep, which is also known as the red racer snake, is one of the subspecies of coachweep snakes. Animal Sec provides information about the red racer snake, focusing on it. Awesome information about the different types of cobras with pictures. If you like to know more about the different types of cobras found around the world, then learn about some deadly species from this article. Also read some. An incredible list of non-venomous snake with pictures. Snakes are universally feared and loathed as poisonous and deadly beasts. However, most people